Today, we're setting up my new, vibrant, and colorful photography backdrop. It comes shipped to your door, nicely folded and ready to be hung. I took it out of the bag and unfolded it. The print is high quality and the colors are super bright and catch your eye. The material feels durable and will make for a great backdrop. All that's left to do now is hang it up and see how it works. So I grabbed a roll of duct tape and used it to hold the backdrop securely to the wall. Although it's recommended, I didn't iron it. There were no wrinkles and it laid flat, looking like a real graffiti wall. Now I can use it as a backdrop and add some fun flair to my photos. This backdrop measures at 5 by 7 and covers a nice chunk of my wall. But if you'd like a different size, it comes in multiple different sizes to fit your needs. So far, I've used this for pretty much every video and it hasn't failed me yet. My unboxing and installation clips look really nice and you can't even tell that they're being filmed inside of my home office. I'll show you what I mean by that later. I thought I would use my snake plant to show you that pretty much anything looks good in front of it. If I could use this as wallpaper for the entire room, I think I totally would. Notice how you can get different effects if you adjust the lighting. It even complements my Funko Pops nicely. Oh, here's that unboxing clip I was telling you about earlier. This product was for a tripod and it was also the first video I did with my new backdrop. I have to say, it looks really cool and I'm extremely happy with it. Then I shot a video for my new microphone. I love how cool it looks in front of that colorful brick wall. So whether you're taking photos at a big event or just having fun at a house party with your friends, this backdrop might just be for you. Please use the affiliate link in the description if you'd like to get one for yourself. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. For now, I'm off to go take a selfie in front of my new backdrop. Later.